Hello, is I am audible?
Hello.
5 मिनट पहले की बात है कि हमारे पास एक पेशेंट
You are
और उनके हाइट में हायर
Is I am audible, Sanju?
yes, you are audible.
Okay. Good morning.
Good morning.
Oh, just a minute. Okay, so we will start our day now. Take some long deep breath. Inhale and exhale. Close your eyes and make sure that your spine should be right. Good morning, Shashi.
Good morning.
Just feel the air traveling through your body. Feel the environment around you. Close your eyes and your spine should be right. Okay, rub your palms. Roll it on your face. Okay, so now we will move forward for pranayams. First, we will do neck up and down. Stretch your neck properly. Sideward. Rotate it. Reverse in direction. Okay, let it be. Rub your palms again. And roll it on your face. Okay, guys. It is pretty good to do all these things in morning. So now we will getting for next one. Shake your hands. Rotate your wrist. Reverse in direction. Okay. Sideward. Reverse it. Upward in direction. Reverse it. Okay. Relax it. Now try to do this. stretch sideward, shoulder in other sides. Okay, twist. Oh, do this. Another one. 1 minute, guys. I think I have network issue. Just.
Hmm. Fine, fine.
Okay, okay. Mhm. Yeah. Now okay. Now. Guys, now we will do that new one. Sit like this in Vajrasan. Not fully. Just sit on your knees like this. And we will do 30 times each. So cross your hands one above another. Okay, sideward. Rotate it 30 times. Reverse in direction. Okay, upward in direction. Reverse it. Okay, let it be, relax it. Take some long deep breath. Close your eyes and make sure that your spine should be erect. Inhale and exhale. Relax your mind and body. If any thoughts comes in your mind, just let it be and try to be make sure that you are fully present in um, situation which you are doing now. Try to come back in current position. Just relax it. Take a long deep breath, inhale and exhale. Okay, relax it, rub your palms and roll it on your face. Okay guys, now we will getting for Anulom Vilom. We will do 3 sets each of 30 seconds. So Close your eyes and your spine should be erect again. And 3, 2, 1 and start. Okay, let it be relaxed. Inhale and exhale. One more time. Okay. Now we'll move for second set. So 3, 2, 1 and go for it. Okay. Relax it. Take a long deep breath, inhale and exhale. One more time. Yeah, now getting for the third set, guys. So 3, 2, 1 and go for it. Okay, guys, relax it. Let it be. Take a long deep breath. Inhale and exhale. If any thoughts comes in your mind, so relax it, let it be, and try to live in present position, present moment, so that you will feel the environment around you and feel the fresh air traveling through your body. Take a deep breath, inhale and exhale. Okay, guys. Now rub your palms and hold it on your face. don't open your eyes. Let it be closed and take a long deep breath. Inhale and exhale again. Okay, guys. Now we will getting for Kapal Bharti. So 3, 2, 1 and start. Okay, let it be relaxed. Now moving forward for second set. So 3, 2, 1 and start it. Let it be relaxed. One more set to do, guys. So 3, 2, 1 and start. Try to squeeze your stomach properly so that you will be benefited more. Okay. Relax it, let it be. Roll your palms. Roll it on the face. Okay, guys, massage your ears. Back and front. Neck. Massage on your neck. Okay, guys, let it be. Now take a long deep breath. Inhale and exhale. Now we will move forward for Vastrika. 30 seconds 30 seconds of 2 sets and later 1 minute medium fast and slow breathe. So moving forward for Vastrika, take your position Close your eyes and your spine should be erect. So 3, 2, 1 and start. Relax it. Take a long deep breath. Now moving for the second set, guys. Take your position, close your eyes, and 3, 2, 1 and start. Let it be, relax it. Take a long deep breath, inhale and exhale. Guys, feel the air traveling through your body. Feel the morning environment. Relax yourself, relax your mind and body. Rub your palms. And roll it on your face. Okay, now we will move forward for 1 minute breathing. We will do for slow, medium and fast breathing. So close your eyes and make sure that your spine should be erect. You have to take long deep breath from nose, and inhale and exhale from same through nose. Okay. First slow, medium and fast. Okay. So 3, 2, 1 and start. And your exhale time should be more than inhale. Medium phase. Fast phase. Let it be, relax it. Take a long deep breath, inhale and exhale. Back to your normal breath. Feel the air traveling through your body and take a slow breath in and out. Okay, let it be. Rub your palms. And roll it into your face. Okay. Now we will move forward for. Yes, today we will do Gomukhasana. I think you know. We have to overlap our knees, one knees over the another, and wait 1 minute. Let me show you. Yeah, Shashi, how Shashi did, same we have to do. Right knees over the left, and yeah, try it. It will be okay. Okay, now your one hand, take your hand like that, and another right hand from upward direction and left one from behind, and try to touch your both the hands like that. Okay, hold it for few seconds, minimum 30 seconds we will try. So 3 2 1 and go for it. Close your eyes, feel it, feel the stretch, relax your body. Take a long deep breath, inhale and exhale. Okay, relax it, let it be, guys. Back in normal position. Rub your palms, roll it into your face. Okay. Now we will do for alternate. Now try to overlap your left knee over the right. Yeah. And now left hand you have to take up and right one from behind. And try to touch your hands. Hold it for a few seconds. Close your eyes. Take a long deep breath. Inhale and exhale. Try to do it, guys. Don't give up. Okay, relax it, let it be. Back to normal position. Rub your palms. Close your eyes. Roll it into your face. Okay, now we will go for Cobra Asana. So you know how to do it, right? Take your position. Lie on ground, and after you have to lift up with your hand and make sure that your hand should be erect, not to bend. Okay? So 3 2 1 and start. Lift it, guys. Lift yourself up. Hold it for a few seconds. Okay, let it be relaxing. Moving for second set. So 3, 2, 1 and start. Lift up yourself. Make sure that your hand not to be folded. Close your eyes. Hold it. Hold it, guys. Relax it. Again, moving for third side. So 3, 1 minute.
आपको पता है आई एम नॉट क्लासिकली ट्रेन्ड बट आई विल दैट
Okay. 3, 2, 1 and start. Lift up yourself. Hold it for few seconds. Okay guys, let it be, relax it. Back in normal position. We have 10 minutes again. Okay. Now we will go for Brahmari. Okay.
Ujjayi. Ujjayi, Ujjayi.
ये क्या है? Yeah,
We have done it most of the time.
Okay, okay, guys. Follow him. Okay, once say how to do it again.
Just a second. Let me see how many participants are there. Okay. Yeah, I think you all know how to do Brahmari.
Brahmari, we know. Yeah.
Ujjayi, Ujjayi. Sorry. Ujjayi, Ujjayi. Drishti and Khilasai, Sanjog, Subhangi. I think she don't know. So I will explain once again. Just give me 1 second. Yeah. So what you need to do, you have to close your mouth, and you during inhalation process, you have to make some sound from your throat like this. You have to close your mouth, and in that process, you have to make the sound. I think you all people have done it before also.
While taking breathing, we have to make that noise. I mean sound.
Yeah, we have to make some sound. It's
Okay.
really very much beneficial. And now I am seeing disadvantage, like it requires water at every hour, and your throat will be like swelling. In that time, if you do this exercise, it will be really very much helpful. So repeat
Okay,
this
guys.
exercise. We will do it for 3 sets. Yeah, we will do it for 3 sets. One set will be of 45 seconds, and after that we will move on for Brahmari.
We have more 9 minutes. Okay, let's start it.
Okay, then we will go for 30 seconds only.
Yeah.
Yeah, 3, 2. Exhale from nose. By closing one nostril, you have to exhale from another nostril. Relax and let it go. Take some deep breath, inhale and exhale. One more time. One more time, inhale and exhale. Fine. Now we'll proceed with the second set. So let me set the timer on a count of 3, 2, 1, go. Relax and let it go. So yeah, we are done with 2 sets. Inhale and exhale slowly and deeply. One more time, inhale, exhale. Fine. Now we will proceed with the last set of 45 seconds. So just give me 1 second. Yeah, on a count of 3, 2, 1, go. Relax and let it let it go.
Okay, guys.
Yeah.
Rub your palms again. Close your eyes. Roll it on the face. Okay, guys, we will proceed for Brahmadi. Okay. So you know how to do it. So take your position. 3, 2, 1, and start. If done it with, just close your eyes and sit normally. Stretch your back and your spine should be erect. Sit on this position for few more seconds. Take a long deep breath. Inhale and exhale. Let it go all the worries and tension. As it is a new beginning, new day, you have to live joyfully and happily. Don't worry about the things which happened on past. Sorry, which happened in past. Just try to live fully in present moment. Try to think and believe that you are the new version of yourself, and what else you can do today, great things or such a new thing, so that you will feel happy and fresh throughout the day. Take a deep breath in and out.